If you have an error code that the exclamation mark is flashing 4 times, check this out. Here's the diagram of all of the individual parts for this EU3200i. The first sensor right here, number 6, right here, it's right on top of the fuel injector, which is right here. The green and yellow wire right here. That's the TA sensor. The next one is a TE sensor. That is correlated right here, number 11. That one's way down there, but the two main cables that you have to look for are these two black wires underneath the ignition coil and below the fuel pump. You gotta test continuity from that leading up to this wire harness. There's a specific pin diagram that you need to look for, which is from this pin here, 7 pins to the right, that's the top one, 7 pins in the middle, right over. If this has continuity, closed circuit right here, then that's good. If those are all good, then the last thing is to diagnose the ECU. Luckily, I have another generator. I could grab it off of here, slap it on here. Ever since I slapped the new ECU on, the 4 lights went away and it's running smoothly now. The cost of this is $500. So if you're in that trouble with the 4 flashing lights with the exclamation mark, check out those 2 sensors. And if those 2 sensors are good, it's the ECU.